Namaste Ishan.
Namaste Kuldeep Mammu.
We are going ahead with Bhagavad Gita chapter 1, shlokas 31, 32 and
33.
yeah. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Nimittani cha pashyami
Nimittani cha pashyami.
viparitani keshava
Viparitani Keshava.
na cha shreyonupashyami
Na cha shreyonupashyami.
hatva svajanamahave.
Hatva swajanamahave.
Sit without movement. When the movement comes, that means your mind is wandering. Okay, like Arjuna. So sit without movement, including your legs. That is the way you show respect to Bhagavad Gita. Okay?
Okay, Mammu.
Yeah, sit properly. Okay. Once again. Nimittani cha pashyami
Nimittani cha pashyami.
viparitani keshava
Viparitani Keshava.
na cha shreyonupashyami
Na cha shreyonupashyami.
hatva svajanamahave.
Hatva swajanamahave.
Beautiful. Namaskarams properly. Okay?
Okay, Mammu.
I told you, when the mind wanders, you keep doing all these things, this thing, that thing, movements and all that. Okay? Sit properly with ease. Okay?
Okay, Mammu.
Good. Gudakesha you are. I'm reminding you that. Okay.
Okay, Mammu.
Next, 32. Nakankshe vijayam Krishna
Nakangshe vijayam Krishna.
nacharajyam sukhani cha
Nacharajyam sukhani cha.
kinno rajyena govinda.
Kinno rajyena govinda.
Kim plus no becomes kinno. Kinno rajyena govinda.
Kinno rajyena govinda.
Kim bhogairjivitena va.
Kim bhogairjivitena va.
Very good. Uttamam. Once again. Nakankshe vijayam Krishna
Nakangshe vijayam Krishna.
nacharajyam sukhani cha
Nacharajyam sukhani cha.
kinno rajyena govinda.
Kinno rajyena govinda.
Kim bhogairjivitena va.
Kim bhogairjivitena va.
Atyuttama. When Mamu is telling you that be very attentive without movement, that doesn't mean that you have to sit like a bomma doll. Okay? Sit with very ease. Okay?
Okay, Mammu.
This is what it is. Now 33rd shloka. Yeshamarthe kangshitannaha.
Yeshamarthe kangshitannaha.
Kangshitam plus naha becomes kangshitannaha.
Kangshitannaha.
Rajyam bhoga sukhani cha
Rajyam bhoga sukhani cha.
taimeva sthita yuddhe
Taimeva sthita yuddhe.
pranam styaktva
Pranam styaktva.
dhanani cha.
Dhanani cha.
Once again. Yeshamarthe
Yeshamarthe
कांक्षितन्नः
कांक्षितन्नः
राज्यं भोगा
राज्यं भोग
सुखानि च
सुखानि च
त इमेव स्थिता युद्धे
त इमेव स्थिता युद्धे
त इमेव स्थिता युद्धे
त इमेव स्थिता युद्धे
ब्यूटिफुल प्राणां त्यक्त्वा धनानि च
प्राणां त्यक्त्वा धनानि च
So shall we go for chanting together?
Yes, Mamu.
Chanting together. That has become a portion now. Okay. निमित्तानि च पश्यामि विपरीतानि केशव न च श्रेयोनुपश्यामि हत्वा स्वजनमाहवे न काङ्क्षे विजयं कृष्ण न च राज्यं सुखानि च किन्नो राज्येन गोविन्द किं भोगैर्जीवितेन वा येषामर्थे काङ्क्षितन्नः राज्यं भोगा सुखानि च त इमेव स्थिता युद्धे प्राणां त्यक्त्वा धनानि च You know, let us go through the meanings and get deep and deep into Gita. Now, Arjuna is in Vishada right now, right?
Yes, Mamu.
So he says, Nimittani cha pashyami.
Viparitani Keshava.
He says, Viparitani nimittani. I see Viparitani nimittani. Inauspicious omens. Say omens.
Omens.
Omens. O-M-E-N-S. Omens.
O-M-E-N-S. Omens.
Yeah. Omens mean Shakuna. Say Shakuna.
Shakuna.
I'll tell you about that later. Next is Nacha Shreyonu Pashyami.
Hatva Swajana Mahave.
Arjuna says, I don't see any good in killing my relatives in this battle. Na kangshe vijayam Krishna.
Nacha Rajyam Sukhani cha.
Oh Krishna, I don't desire victory. I don't want any pleasures. I don't want any kingdom. Kinno rajyena Govinda.
Kimbho Gair Jivitena va.
Of what use is this kingdom to us? Of what use are these pleasures to us? Of what use is this life itself to us? Yeshamarthe kangshitannaha.
Rajyam Bhoga Sukhani cha.
Those for whose sake we desire this kingdom, enjoyment and pleasures, they are here, standing in battle. Ta imeva sthita yuddhe.
Pranam Styaktva Dhanani cha.
Pranam styaktva dhanani cha. They have renounced their life and they are here. They have renounced their wealth, life itself. You know, there is no guarantee when you come for a war. There is no guarantee that you will go back. No?
Yes, Mamu.
Yeah. So this is the meaning of these 3 shlokas. Now, a very, very interesting topic. Arjuna says, Nimittani pashyami, viparitani nimittani pashyami. I see inauspicious omens. They say apashakuna. You know, when the mind becomes weak, what happened? Your mind became weak or what?
Nothing.
Okay, you shivered now. Okay, when the mind becomes weak, we depend on all these external factors. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
But when the mind is surrendered to Rishikesha, he says in chapter 12, Mayarpita mano buddhi. Surrender your mind unto me. So, when the mind is surrendered to Rishikesha, we don't depend on all these external nimitta, all these things. Okay? No
Okay,
Shakuna
Mama.
and all that. Now, let me tell you some interesting factors about these omens. They say small, small things. When you go out, if a black cat is coming on your way, they say that's a bad omen. Poor cat. No?
Yes, Mamu.
In that cat, this Rishikesha is there, no?
Yes, Mamu.
Same wise, sometimes they say a woman who can't conceive or a woman without husband, in the sense who has lost her husband, is considered as a bad omen. How cruel it is, no?
Yes, Mamu.
She is also Lalita Parameshwari, no? She has that Ishwari Tattva in her, no?
Yes, Mamu.
See, all these things. Now, interesting thing is, they say Tuesdays are not good to start new things. Tuesday is known as Mangalavara. Mangalavara means auspicious day. How can an auspicious day become a bad day?
Mamu, its name is Mangalavaram.
Ah,
It is not a bad day. But some people will think it is a bad day if their mind is weak.
when the mind is weak, you think of all these things, no?
Yes, Mamu.
Now, let me tell you a very, very interesting thing. They say Saturday is a bad day because they say Shanaishchara. Shanihichara is Saturn's day. Shanaishchara's day. They say that's a bad day. What do you think about that?
No, Mamu. Saturday is not a bad day actually.
Huh?
It is Hanuman's day.
Yeah, it is Hanuman's day, no?
Yes, Mamu.
See, how can Hanuman's day be a bad day? So, all these things, this is all about omen. Now, let me tell you one more beautiful example. When a problem comes, what we do is, we go and discuss with our family first. Sit properly. All these family members will suggest lot of things. We will try to put it in action. What happens is, that will be good for some time. After a point of time, we come to know that that's not working. Then what we do is, we go and discuss that with our friends. Friends will suggest something new. After a certain point, we come to know that that is also not working. Then interesting thing, we go to an astrologer, Jyotisha. He will give you 100 suggestions. You have to go here, you have to go there, you have to do this, you have to worship that goddess, God and all that. Jyotisha is a Shastra. But Jyotisha is not made for these materialistic purposes. We can't go to a Jyotisha with desires. We can't go to a Jyotisha should be a Sarvatnya. Sarvatnya, that level should be there. In Mahabharata, Sahadeva was such a good astrologer. But the interesting thing is, Yudhishthira didn't ask Sahadeva about the Muhurta for the war. But Duryodhana went and asked for a Shubha Muhurta so that he can win. Why Yudhishthira didn't ask? Because Yudhishthira knew that Krishna was with them. Why should they fear when Krishna is with them? See, likewise, we went to our family, we went to our friends to discuss, we went to astrologer to discuss. After that, we go to this Swami, that Swami, this organization, that organization, they will give us some solutions, all these things. But interesting stuff is, the very problem solver, Rishikesha, this Achyuta, infallible, who can never make mistake, is continuously guiding us and he is very, very near to us. He is here. He is here. Go directly to him. Don't go anywhere else. You know, don't wander with your nimitta, your all those external things. When the mind becomes weak, then we will go for all these things. When the mind is strong, rather, not to put that way, when the mind is surrendered to Achyuta, he will act as Guru Swarupa inside us, and he will guide us every moment. Got it?
Yes, Mamu.
So no nimittas, nothing. Be very strong. He is there with us. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Shall we conclude?
Yes, Mamu.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Do prayers. Uttama Minnu. Live according to Gita. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Very good. Uttama.